Good day and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we will walk through the complete process of downloading and installing the CFT private toolbox, step by step. After subscribing, you'll receive a welcome email with a link to your portal. Once you're inside the portal, click Download and you'll be brought to the download page. Enter your email address there. If you pay with one address, but your NinjaTrader account uses another, try the other one. Then, click Get the Installer. Your file will now appear in your Downloads folder. If your browser flags the file as unconfirmed, simply click Keep, then Keep Anyway. Once downloaded, double-click the CFTPT setup file, then click Install, followed by Finish. Your toolbox now lives in your Downloads folder as a zip file. This is what NinjaTrader will need to import next. From NinjaTrader's Control Center, click Tools, then Import, then NinjaScript add-on. When the window opens asking for the file location, navigate to your Downloads folder. Select the zip file and click Open. NinjaTrader will show a couple of warning prompts. Click Yes each time, followed by a final message letting you know the application needs to restart for changes to take effect. Click OK, then close NinjaTrader yourself. After a few seconds, once it's fully closed, reopen NinjaTrader and enter your password. You'll then see a prompt asking for your subscription email address. Enter that and click Activate. Once activated, you'll have full access to the toolbox, including a set of included workspaces. Open the workspace list and you'll see everything that comes with the package. Feel free to adjust these to your liking. Change parameters, close any charts you don't need. This becomes the foundation for your own setup. Once you're happy with it, click Workspace, then Save As, and give it a new name. That becomes your personalized workspace going forward. And that brings us to the end of this walkthrough. If you run into any questions along the way, just reach out. I'm happy to help. Thanks for watching and enjoy exploring everything the CFT private toolbox has to offer.